Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to set up guest mode on Android. Share your device safely. Phones are extremely personal devices that contain things you probably don't want just anyone to see. Some Android devices have a guest mode so you can hand off your phone and not have to worry about what they'll find. But note, setting up guest account will vary depending on which Android device you have. The process for Google Pixel phones will most closely mimic the methods on Android device. To get started, swipe down twice from the top of the screen to expand the quick settings panel. Then tap the gear icon. Scroll down and select System. But for me, I will tap on Accounts and Backup. Now go to multiple users, and the first thing we'll do is simply toggle on the switch to allow use multiple users. Next, tap Add Guest. A guest profile has now been created. From here, you can switch to the account, enable phone calls for the guest profile, or remove it. An easier way to switch profiles is from the expanded quick settings panel. You'll see a new user icon between the power and settings icon. A menu will appear and you can select guest. And that's all there is to guest profile on Android. If your phone or tablet supports the feature, it's super easy to use. Unfortunately, not every device does support it. There are other ways to give people access to your device without free reign. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.